Hey guys, what is going on? It is Hamish, and I wanted to talk today about searcher intent and why it's so fundamental to Redbubble. And also, I wanted to apologize for telling people that tags are not important because I was just making a video before and I found something that I did not know about earlier. So just watch this entire video because you're going to learn a lot from this video. This ties together with e-commerce SEO and also with searcher intent. What is searcher intent? It's known commonly that in 2021, searcher intent is the #1 ranking factor. Okay, so what is searcher intent? As you can see here, it says search intent, also known as user intent, is the primary goal a user has when searching a query in a search engine. Many times users are searching for a specific type of answer or resource as they search. Take pizza for example, but let's forget pizza as an example. Okay, if you go on Google and you type in something like black shirt, okay, Google assumes, probably correctly, that you are looking to browse or to buy a black shirt. Okay, and I used shirts as an example because it's gonna become clear as to why this is so important for Redbubble. So before we get into that, I'm going to give you a quick update on my series that I'm doing on my channel at the moment. A video will be left at the end of this video if you're interested in following this series. I started this series on the 1st of November, I think. I can't remember now. And already the traffic is kind of going up, basically, because we're only 5 days into November and I've already had 34 organic, and last month it was 80 in total. So I'm expecting it to be like maybe, I don't know, 190 visitors maybe this month, especially if I keep uploading designs. So I'm just showing you this to kind of show you that I know what I'm talking about. But the thing is, I don't know what I'm talking about because I made a huge mistake with this. And let me show you what my mistake was. So if I go on any of my products, let's just go on one of my older products. This was from a very long time ago. I think it was from like 5 months ago, 4 months ago I uploaded this design. If I go to my tags, I don't really care about tags. This is a bad example because my tags are pretty good here, but also my title. So I want to talk about title and tags specifically here. First of all, titles are way more important than I thought they were. And the reason that I found this out is because in one of my last videos, I showed people that they could see which of their products were ranking on Google or indexed on Google by using search operators. So this is just saying, show me results from Redbubble, show me results from Redbubble which have by Stream Surfer in their URL. All of your products will have a unique URL like this. They will say buy and then your Redbubble name. Okay, so we can use this to our advantage. But the thing I noticed, first of all, okay, I noticed this in the last video, is that my titles were not very clickable. Okay, dinosaur detector funny paleontologist t-shirt by Stream Surfer. I wouldn't say that was a particularly clickable title. Okay, but I realized something even more important. Okay, and I realized it because of let me just find it, because of this design here. Okay, the whole point of this design, okay, was that it was an intentional misspelling of sperm whale. If you don't know, I assume you do, but sperm whale is 2 words, 2 separate words. And I found a keyword using my search operator method, which you can watch a lot of videos that I've made on it if you want. I found the keyword which was sperm whale without a space between it. But then I saw this today and I was thinking, how is that possible? Because I thought that this was just the title. Okay, I thought that whatever you wrote in the title section on the Redbubble backend when you're uploading a product would be here. But this made me realize something, and it's probably something I should have realized a long time ago. Okay, and I apologize for anyone that listened to me when I said tags are not important, because if I go to my tags, I realized the only place it could be coming from was tags, and I looked, and there is sperm whale with a space. Okay, so that means that tags can produce product pages which can rank on Google and be indexed on Google. This is fascinating for us, okay, and for me. It's really, really interesting for me. Another thing that I was doing is I clicked on the tag itself, and I was not expecting to be ranking, okay. But if I just go down a little bit more, quite far down, there it is, bang. So this is really, really interesting. Obviously, I knew this already. This is what I thought tags were for. This is the only thing I thought tags were for, okay. And my methods were to find low competition keywords that it wouldn't matter if we were ranking last on this page because there are so few results. That's why I didn't think tags were important. But now that I know that they can produce their own product pages, okay, that is fascinating to me. Okay, and why is it so fascinating to me? Why is it so interesting to me? This has a surprisingly large amount of searches per month, okay? And I created this design specifically to be an apron a long time ago. And it's ranked 1 for this keyword. That is really, really interesting to me. But obviously, I mean, that was kind of expected because it has the word apron in it, okay? So the last thing I wanted to talk about was the reason that sometimes you upload a design and it doesn't sell for a long time using the search operator method. And then maybe in the future, this has happened to me. I don't know if it's happened to anybody else, but I think it probably has. In the future, it just suddenly starts selling. And this is the reason, okay? If I search sperm whale t-shirt orange, okay, what do you think the first result is? You're all going to say that it's my design, probably. If you've watched this video closely, you'll say it's my design. But it's not. It's not my design. It's not my design. But why is it not my design, you might be asking? My design ranks here. It should anyway. I don't know if it will be actually. Right. Yeah, it does. So it's ranking here, okay. But why is it not the first design? Why is the product not the first design? The reason it's not ranking first is twofold. There's 2 reasons. The first reason is, as you can see, if I scroll down and down and down in the title, I'm looking only at the title. It seems to have rewritten all of the titles, or it's only ranked, it looks like it's only ranked this tag on, I assume, different products. So this is a poster, canvas print, throw pillow, sticker, etc., etc. The other reason, so once it ranks for the actual keyword, if it ever starts ranking with this title, it will probably rank number 1, okay. The other reason it's not ranking is because it will need to move up the SERP, the search engine result page. When you first write something, like an article, I write a lot of articles, it can often be on like page 5 for a few months. And then people will know this if they're into SEO. It will start to just creep up a little bit, and then sometimes it'll just jump to number 1, okay? And I will talk about this in detail with real examples when I can show you guys the company that I've been working for, which will be very, very soon, I hope. I will go into detail about this. But basically, we can manipulate and we can move up by maybe making clickbait titles and also thinking way more carefully about our tags. I'm going to be putting a lot more effort into my tags from now on, and as I discover new methods to do tags, I will teach you guys any methods that I learn, as I always do. I hope you guys found this interesting. I hope you guys found this helpful. I've just realized I've almost made the perfect resolution video, but I made one mistake. I forgot to make it full screen again. You might have noticed this video that I've actually learned how to shoot a half decent video, because I realized all I have to do is make it full screen, and then I don't have to worry about resolution because it's already full screen. I can't believe I didn't think about this before. Expect a lot of videos on tags. Expect a lot more videos like this. This is the reason I started doing my series where I tried to grow my Redbubble account. I'll definitely be uploading more because I keep learning more and more things, and it's really, really exciting. And I will teach you as I learn. Peace out as usual, and I'll see you really soon with some more content.